Hello and welcome to another update video about the NEAR protocol. I don't want to forget about the NEAR protocol. I still want to cover it on this channel because I think the NEAR protocol is a sleeping giant and I think it could really next year have its huge time. It already went up 600% in this year. It is an Ethereum competitor and I already presented it to you on the 17th of October. I think I had the first video. This was before the breakout down here. It was around 750 back then, and I've been bullish on it since in every video. Last video I made was end of October. That was here, and I said we are going to approach $12 certainly, and we actually managed to get through, made a new all-time high, 1320. But I did say I did say for good reason, and that video was back here, I think on the 25th. That we need to see a retracement before that. Otherwise, we will not have enough power to get through the $12 level. Now, we only managed to get through to 1330, so it was a bit of a fake out there, and we've came back to the level where we started because back then I already said that the RSI was way too high. You know, if you start your pump with such a high RSI and you don't get a proper retracement in place before that, then yeah, you will struggle to make new all-time highs. And while we did a new all-time high, while we made a new all-time high, yeah, we clearly struggled and came down all the way. So I just want to present this here to you as a potential opportunity, not financial advice, but by all means look into it. I would encourage you, because the NEAR protocol is, in my view, a sleeping giant, and it has consolidated now. It has consolidated to a fib level, which is very important. So let's just take that fib and I'm going to show that to you. So there you go, to the peak. So we've come down to the 0.5 fib level down here. You can see that if I zoom in, and probably have to take that horizontal out that I had in there. So that's where we currently are, exactly here, and that's the 0.5 fib level at 1046, 1050, a bit below that maybe. Oh, sorry, 1004. So pretty much $10, right? So that is where we're currently finding support. Now, NEAR protocol, as I said, it is an Ethereum competitor. These guys, I think the programmers are mainly Russian guys, and they are sitting in San Francisco. What I find, there are a few things I find really interesting about the NEAR protocol. First of all, it's fast. It's, you know, interoperable. Everything that's stuff that all good cryptos do. But they have, end of October, they announced a 800 million grants fund. And also I think Coinbase Ventures, they are invested in NEAR protocol. I find that very interesting as well. So really renowned investment or venture capital companies are invested here. And what they want to do, what their vision is, they want to create a very, very easy to program blockchain. So basically a blockchain where where they use programming languages that will enable the developers to create a dApp within 5 minutes. I think that is very visionary. Yeah, they will offer various programming languages and they're working hard on that. And that is supposed to make it very easy for developers to create dApps. They want to create a very simple way for developers to create dApps. And I think that could really be one of the key competitive advantages for the NEAR protocol. It is underestimated in my view at the moment, and it is a sleeping giant, I would say, yeah. And it's just come back to a key fib level, and it's consolidating, and I think it is a great time to get some more. At least for me, I'm going to get some more of NEAR protocol. I think it will be huge. I think it will perform very well this year, but also next year I think it will certainly perform really, really well. So I think with NEAR protocol it might be a little bit ahead. You know, it is growing and it's made massive gains this year already, but I think there is much more to come. And certainly at $10, I think it's great. So that's only my view. You know, not guaranteed to go up, of course. Please do your own research, but I find it very interesting, especially as we've just come back to that level. Now, coming back now to the $10 level has brought the RSI down, and that sets us up for further continuation to the upside. You can see that we also found support at the 20-day moving average down here. And while the RSI is much lower than before that breakout here, where we tried to make new all-time high, where we made new all-time highs, but we've come down quite hard as well. So that's good now. The RSI is lower, still in the bullish range. And while we've made a bearish cross on the MACD on the daily, on the 4 hour, it shows us that this is turning around already. So you can see that the selling pressure is already weakening. and we potentially get a bullish cross here very shortly on the 4 hour. I think we probably have already, yeah, we already had a bullish cross here on the daily, so on the 1 hour. So that's just a swinging up and down more frequently anyway. But my view would be that we probably are going to hold this current level here at $10 and will continue a move up from here. Current breakout point in my view is 1040. If we get above 1040, you know, we tried it here, and tried it here, that we then continue our way to the upside. You can also see that we very clearly here had a head and shoulders, yeah, where we broke the neckline to the downside, but then found support here at the fib level at $10. So yeah, it's looking good for the NEAR protocol in my view. It's for me a long-term thing. That NEAR protocol might not be a get-rich-quick thing where you get 10 or 100x very quickly, but it's a solid investment that would possibly outperform Ethereum, for example, next year, and some other Ethereum competitors. So yeah, very interested in the NEAR protocol, good fundamentals as well. So just want to make you aware of it and make you aware of this potential bargain at the moment, but I'm not telling you to buy. Please always do your own research, but these are prices at which I will continue to buy more NEAR. So hopefully you liked that video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.